second half of the second game. Link, I hope you understood what I was trying to say. Your video accidentally ended. I'm going to use this app.
I just went over there and made fun
Of who?
her oldest kid.
Oh.
He's a boy and he's the same
Her
height as
oldest
me.
kid.
He's the same height as me and he's Brody's age. Making fun of him is my favorite hobby. See, and Carver, that one right there, I've known him since he was this big and he's taller than me now. Get it out! Oh, what the?
Grab it!
Yeah,
Grab it, Josie!
Oh, they tried.
That was Josie.
It was both of them.
Oh, I only saw Josie. Josie was taller.
This is gonna go in my change jar. I did not take shit. I paid for your food and then you paid me back.
No back.
It's sticking to my forehead.
You want me to put that in my wallet?
No, it's okay. Because if I forget about it, I'll be sad.
Well, I'll just keep it to you guys.
Does it look good? They're never doing it.
Hey, but we got lace model walk, so. Ooh, good job.
Oh, I think I might have accidentally deleted that video. But it'll be in recently deleted, so it's fine. Hey, at least I told you so you didn't go on there and get pissed off. Did you see they tried to not release it to Cooper? Get it, Adina! Oh.
Go, Collins.
Collins, pass it! Abby, stay behind!
Stay in.
Oh, shit. It went backwards.
Keep going.
Rocket!
Yes, thank you.
Did you see that girl's back? Yes, Kaya! Oh, I like those leggings. I love that
Good job,
Elena's
Liz.
been acting like a coach all day.
Yes, Joe!
Oh shit, face plant. No. Josie can have fun watching her own self run because she's running weirder than me.
Is she doing your run?
Yes.
Josie,
It's like me and her switched.
Josie, if you hear this, stop doing the broken run.
Maybe if she stops doing it, I'll start doing it again.
You guys switch spots.
See, look!
She is doing your run. Josie.
I love it.
No, you're good.
No,
it's okay.
It's okay.
Is it their ball or ours? I was gonna say why we thought.
You see Kaya just like glitched.
I was watching Abby take out.
Abby's so little and cute.
Dottie?
Yes. Oh shit. Yeah, get her, Cooper!
Yeah, Cooper!
Don't let go!
Thank you, Cooper. See,
I
Josie's
feel
doing a
so
good
bad
job
whenever I
staying
see Collins get in a ruck with a forward.
out. But she actually gets low though, so it's good.
Oh! Yeah,
Yes,
belly flop,
do that.
Adina.
Oh, we would've had that.
Remy's belly flop in the game is still my favorite.
Okay, ball's out!
Good tackle!
Josie, stay out! Good job.
Abby, don't go too far back!
Abby, stay out!
See, wings always look so lazy, like they're just walking half the time.
Yeah, but then when they get the ball, they can speed. I want to see Abby make it.
Yeah, she hasn't had a chance yet.
Ooh, that was good.
Every time Abby's gotten the ball, there's just been someone right in her face every time. Get her,
Get her, Abby!
Rap! Rap, Abby!
I love how she didn't give up.
Yeah, that's
She
good.
held on. Better than. Get there.
Get her! I still can't decide if I want to play women's next year because I'm terrified.
Yes, Joes. Oh.
Oh, yes!
Get over that.
Oh, they're like standing. Oh, shit!
Yes. That was good as hell.
I know that shit hurt her head, though.
Yeah, Jaden! Yeah, Jaden!
Oh, where are you going?
Run, Joe! Josie! Run! Go, Jones! Run, Joe! Go, Josie! Oh, that's my little sister. Yes, Joe!
Okay, end it. Let's go harass her.
Wait, that's not the end of the game.
Yes, it is. The time's up.
The time's been up.
Okay, baby.
Link, is that done?